Okay, here what you need to do first of all, right? You can see here for this fraction they put negative index. I mean minus index here. Minus 3 over 5. This one. So we can use here very quick method tricks to make this to plus, right? But when you have negative or minus index for a fraction, what you need to do, this numerator stuff, numerator what you have in numerator, those bring to denominator, what you have in denominator bring to numerator, change, upside down change, simply idea. So then you can change this negative index to plus. So I will do that. Now I will bring this x to the power 10 to up. Here is it is in denominator. Now I will put into numerator. That means here I will put x to the power 10, and this is I will brought to denominator. Now I will bring it to denominator. Here will be 32 y to the power 15, right? Simply here I change this numerator brought to denominator, denominator brought to numerator, like this. Then you need to change this negative sign to plus. You can change to plus. That's the idea. Keep in mind, don't change this one, right? Some are when change this negative to plus, they change this. No, this is not change. Only this is you should change numerator and denominator. Okay, then very simple idea. These all you should make has power, has a with including indices. So I will write here already these two in indices. So I will write here x to the power 10, and here 32 mean has a index what? Has a index, how you can write? Has a power you need to make, right? So we can make easily, this is 2 to the power 5. 2 to the power 5 mean 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, like that you need to multiply 5 times. So 32 mean you can write 2 to the power 5, and here will be y to the power 15, right? Now all the thing in inside the bracket we wrote has a power. Okay, now what we need to do, keep mind when you have like this way, inside the bracket you have terms, and outside the bracket here you have one index like this. The it's also has a fraction. What you can do, these indices, that means 10 here, 15 here, 5, these all three you can multiply with this same index. That means here 3 over 5. By 3 over 5 you should multiply this index, that means 10, and also by 3 over 5 you need to multiply 15, and also by 3 over 5 you need to multiply 5 here, right? I will do it here. Okay, here I need to show you it quickly. 10, right? 10 into 3 to the power 5. So what will happen, right? Here what will happen, 5 to the how many 5 are there? 5, 1. How many 5 are there? 10, 2. So it will become 2 into 3, it will be 6, right? 6. So here when you multiply this with this, it will become x to the power 6. I think you can get that idea. Then here 5 into 3 upon 5, right? You need to multiply this index with this index again. So I will do it here. But the 5 into, right, 5 into, that means this index with this one, or the 3 over 5. Again here also you can cut, no, how many 5 are then 5, 1, how many 5 are then 5, 1. So cut 1 into 3, then it will be 3. So here will be what, the 2 to the power 3, right? Now 1 again 15 into this one. One thing we need to do, 15 into, that means this index with this index. Basic idea, this all indices you need to multiply by this index, right? So I will multiply 15 into 3 over 5. So how many 5 then 5, 1, how many 5 then 15, it is 3. 3 into 3, 9. This is 1, no, you don't need to care. 3 into 3, 9. So here will be y to the power 9. Now here you can't do anything, x and x to the power 6 and y to the power 9. But 2 to the power 3 mean what the answer? Here will be x to the power 6. 2 to the power 3 mean again 8. 2 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 2, 8. Like that. Here 8. So here will be y to the power 9. So that's the final answer we can simplify it into here.